Hello everybody, welcome. This is another video from Vibrant Investors, and today I'm going to be telling you guys why my trading career ended. Alright, hold up. I didn't quit trading, but I am trading something different now, which is futures contracts. For you don't know what futures is, futures are contracts to buy or sell a specific underlying asset at a set future date. The underlying asset can be a commodity, a security, or some other financial instrument. Well, now that we have that out of the way, if you guys want to check what futures are, I am going to be making a video in some time. So if y'all want to know a little bit more about it and how it works, leave it in the comment section and I will be breaking down what is the difference between shares, options, futures, and all that good stuff. And let's get to it. I'm going to be breaking down today's trades. All right, guys, hopping over here to the charts, you can see that recently the indexes, they've been on an uptrend. You can see the uptrends. You can see the graph creating higher highs, higher lows. And for some time now, especially the S&P 500 micro, the ES, this is the mini micro actually, the one that expires on December 25th. You can see creating higher highs, higher lows, and you can also see those price levels, those psychological levels of support and resistance that I have marked. And you can see that today, especially right now on the 4-hour chart. So let me go ahead and go to the daily chart. Today, it's currently 1:14 p.m. and you can see the market is doing really good right now, super strong. We're about to get to the 6,000s on the micro contracts. If we go to NQ did take a little tank over here, but it was also a good day for them. And right off the bat, right at the morning, at the bell, the stock decided to do a lot, both the NQ and the ES. The market did open at 8:30, right over here. And you can see that since the market opened, it just been complete bullish day. The people at Wall Street are probably really happy right now. Let's go ahead and check the trade for today, which was actually a Dow Jones trade. As you guys can see over here, the market opened at 8:30. So let's go ahead and get that set on the chart. It'll be easier for you guys to see. Sorry, that was not it. There you go. All right, now that you guys can see, the market did open over here. If we go to the 5-minute candle, you can see here's where I bought and I sold. I'm going to be breaking this down for you guys. If we go to a 15-minute candle right here, you can see that the stock also started to do good. But early on, when you go to the 2-minute, you can see these consolidations. Right at this consolidation right here, we did see a level getting rejected, which was the 4,300s. It hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So at this point, we already know that this is going to be a moment of decision for the stock. And while this was happening here, the ES had just popped off. The NQ had also just popped off. And I saw that the morning was going to be hot. It was going to be a green day for sure, especially because the S&P 500 was getting so close to reaching the high of the day. And the expectancy did get there. Wall Street did make a lot of money. And if we go to the 1-minute candle, which is where I was able to see kind of the failure of the candles getting rejected, you can see that here, you can assert a little trend line to the downside. And I knew that if this was going to get broken, it was going to follow the ES and the NQ. Regardless of the situation, if the stock wanted to fall down another 50 points, 40 points, 20 points, I knew that at the end, the stock would revert or at least break even, right? That's why, especially with the Dow, since if you look here on the daily chart, it doesn't move anything like the ES and the NQ move. You can see that they have a little more correlation when you look at the candle charts at the price section. But you can see that the Dow Jones, even though it had the same way, right? It was getting really close, but prior to that, they were all getting rejected. Today was finally the day. And if we go here to the 2-minute, this is where I placed my entry. Instead of waiting for the breakout, I decided to save a little bit of loss in case that trade did turn to a red trade. I decided to buy all the way down here, really close to the support level. I think I bought around 43.15 or 43.20, somewhere around this level, which there's already a buy over here. So let's go ahead and make that straight horizontal ray. I bought, I believe, right here on this candle. And I did have my stop loss under this price right here. I think I should have given it more space or try to get a little bit more pips into the trade. But I felt really confident that the stock market was going to revert really soon, especially because the ES and the NQ had already exploded to the upside. So the the candle did close above that little consolidation to the downside that it was showing right here, kind of a bearish flag, right? So if this decided to do something on the other direction, like breaking below this and closing below, I could see another fall before the get up. But since the candles did close above, I decided to place my entry right here. And I was feeling very strong about this, especially this hammer candle right here. If you guys don't know what a hammer candle is, all the hammer, doji, all those things are really important to know before you start trading with real money. Make sure you know every single type of candlestick in the chart, because price action is the best over anything, over any indicators, any bots, any AI. Price action is the only thing that matters when you're trading. Let's keep it simple, guys. A lot of traders, sometimes they decide to put 1,000 different indicators in the chart, have the volume all the way up here. This is not the volume that I use. This is not the chart. I do have the indicator itself, but a lot of people do make trading very complicated when it's really not. It's a mindset and precision on entries and exits and the edge that the market presents to you. So I had my stop loss right here. This is about a 20 pip to the downside, and I did end up taking out, I believe it was right on this candle right here. Put myself right here, and I got stopped out for a nice little profit. Only made 60 bucks, and I was only risking 20. Like I said, just started trading futures. I did paper trade for a while, and now I'm gonna start to put a little money in the market. I'm not gonna trade crazy contracts. I'm not gonna blow any accounts. I'm gonna start slow, earn my position size, and from there on just build on top of it. But yeah, this was a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio trade for the Monday. Today was a green day, bullish day for the stock market. If you guys want to keep following, make sure to leave a like and a comment on this video, okay? And if y'all are not following us on Instagram, we do post reels almost every day on trade. We haven't been posting for a while, but that's because of school. That's done with. Let's get back to trading. Let's get back to Viper Investors, the real stuff, the serious things that we have to talk about. And yeah, guys, if y'all have any questions, leave it in the comment section, text us, do anything. See y'all tomorrow. Have a good day.